y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a speed clean with me. So we will be covering the bathroom, the kitchen, and the living room. So not a lot, but I really did need to get this out of the way. So I hope you guys will stay till the end, and let's go ahead and get started.
Everything that we could have been, but
so first I am going to be unloading my dishwasher and getting all the clean dishes out so I can reload it with the dirty dishes that's in the sink. I am guilty. I did not clean the kitchen up last night after we ate because I was just wanting to spend time with my husband. So it's all good. Life happens and it's going to get cleaned up.
say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. To doubting you was enough to leave me chasing.
I have not yet introduced myself on this channel, but my name is Mackenzie Coffee. Nice to meet y'all. I am married to my husband Jeremiah, and we live in the mountains of North Carolina. As you can tell by my accent, I am a Southern girl for sure. I work as a cosmetologist, and I also work part-time at my uncle's clothing store. So that is just a little bit about me. So, fun fact about me and my hubby. So we've actually only been married for 2 years this coming June. And we are currently living in a basement apartment for the time being. We are trying to save money and be frugal because we have hopes that in the future we are able to either build or buy a home. But we are just going to wait and see what the Lord has in store for us. So my dishwasher isn't quite full yet, but I am going to go ahead and put my detergent in and just close it up, and maybe there'll be some more I can put in tonight because I always run my dishwasher at night while we are in bed. So that way in the morning I can usually unload it. Now we're on to the most satisfying part of cleaning your kitchen, and that is to clean out your sink after it's had dirty dishes in it. I don't know about y'all, but there is just something that's so satisfying about cleaning the sink. It just makes it look so shiny and new, and I love it. And to clean it today, I'm going to be using the Caldrea dish soap in the scent Sea Salt Neroli, and I just get this soap off of the Grove Collaborative website. To clean the counters, I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the honeysuckle scent. And I'm going to be honest with y'all, I'm not the biggest Mrs. Meyer's fan. I have used a lot of her scents trying to find the one I really like. And there's really only one that I have found that I do enjoy the smell of, and it is the mint scent. And you can find it during the springtime. It's a spring scent. So I normally try to stock up on it so I can keep it around since I do enjoy that one smell. The honeysuckle is alright. I would repurchase it, but like I said, it's just not my favorite.
I like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go.
So I'm just going to clear off my counter so I'm able to clean it. My aunt had left her air fryer at my house, and I had left my crock pot sitting on the counter, so I just had to take all that off in order to get this counter good and clean. So I've recently started using a microfiber cloth, and I must say, I am hooked now. I love how well it cleans the counters, and now I don't have to waste paper towels anymore. And y'all know that right now is not the time to be wasting paper towels because there is kind of a shortage going on due to the coronavirus. So we probably should just be saving as many paper towels as possible. And another thing I really love about these microfiber cloths is that you can just pop them in the washing machine and reuse them as many times as you want. So I really love that. Now moving on to the bathroom, it really wasn't that dirty, it just needed to be tidied up. I needed to put away my flat iron and my blow dryer and some of my hair products as well as my husband's hair products. And other than that, it was pretty clean, but I did want to give it a good wipe down.
Drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off.
I'm not sure that you can even tell by watching this video, but my bathroom is so bare right now. Like, the walls are empty, and it's simply because last week we had a water leak. Our shower was leaking out into our living room because they're like pretty close to each other. And y'all, I've had a mess, so we've had to tear some walls down, and I had to take all my decor down and everything out of my bathroom. So I'm really missing it, but I am looking forward to being able to paint my bathroom a different color because we have to put new sheetrock up.
Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed, you and I floated on.
So I am going to be cleaning my mirrors off with the Method Surface and Glass Cleaner. And yes, I did have to climb up on my counter because I'm only 4'10", and I was not able to reach the top. So this is how I have to clean my mirrors, y'all. So now I'm moving on to the living room area, and it actually was pretty clean. It just needed to be tidied up some. My nephew and niece had been over, so there were Pooh Bears and Lincoln Logs and a little piano bench because I have a little kitty piano that they had been playing on. So I just needed to get that picked up. And I also just really needed to get these pillows back into order. They were all over the place. So I just was putting these back on and fluffing them out to make them look all pretty again. This poor little love seat is a catch-all. I walked through the door today and laid all my stuff down on it. My mother-in-law had gave me some boxes of Kraft macaroni, and I had got an eyebrow pencil in the mail, so I just needed to tidy that up and get that out of the way. And I'm going to be folding a little bit of laundry. I've been having to do my laundry at my aunt's house, so I had just put it in a trash bag, and some of it was folded, some of it wasn't folded, so you'll see me here fixing some and then folding some. So I just wanted to get this little chore out of the way.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't
So I find it much easier to sit in front of your television and fold laundry. It just makes it go by much quicker, and it makes it a more enjoyable task. While I was sitting here, I was actually watching Joanna Thornton. Shout out to you, girl. You are seriously one of my inspirations to start my channel. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and finish folding these towels so I can get them put away. So that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.